Who was taught to adjust? Who was taught to invest? Or who was taught to dream bigger? This Women's Day, we step into real conversations about financial power because equality isn't just emotional, it's economic. Money isn't just currency, it's confidence, it's choice, it's about having a voice at the table. So let's talk about money, power, and the ways it changes lives. Do you think how important is it for a women to be financially independent?
That's a very great question. I'm also working on a research project around this topic, financial literacy for women. And so, even when I also spoke to a lot of women, I realized that none of us know how to manage our finances pretty well. Even the ones who are like earning and the ones who are not earning. I think one of the main reasons is that in every household, at least in India, men are the one who call the shots for your finances. So maybe it's your dad, maybe it's your brother, and if you're a mother, then sometimes it's your son if he's capable of that. So I think all of us lack a lot of confidence and a lot of awareness and a lot of knowledge in terms of how to manage our finances in general.
Whenever you are financially independent, it gives you a sort of autonomy and agency that you wouldn't get otherwise. So it's really important to be able to be able to put your foot down and take your decision and take your stand knowing that you're not financially dependent on anyone. So when you're independent, it gives you that sort of confidence that you don't really have to think a lot about the repercussions. You just have to think what fits right for you and what doesn't. So I think yes, definitely in terms of relationships, it's a huge thing that each of them needs to be very financially independent.
नहीं, कमाना तो हर आदमी को ज़रूरी है। बिना कमाई के किसी का सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट बच ही नहीं सकता। दूसरे के ऊपर कब तक रहोगे? चाहे बच्चे हों या बड़े हों। बड़े हैं उनको भी इंडिपेंडेंट होना मस्ट है। ये नहीं कि हम बच्चे के ऊपर पलेंगे। और वही बात बच्चों के लिए कि उन्हें भी कब तक वो पेरेंट उन्हें पालेंगे। तो इंडिपेंडेंट तो हर बंदे को होना ही चाहिए।
But do you think sometimes like when women they are educated and they are working and making money, but at the same time their families also expect them to do like household things and like manage everything?
Well, they have to adjust. They should adjust, and I think more than that, the family should adjust to it. That okay, I am working, I have some limited time, but there should be some home help also. Not that okay, I work the whole day and then come back and do the housework. It's just not fair. Because I think for gents it's not so. They go to work, they come back, take a bath, maybe read a paper, watch the TV or something. But I don't think women get that freedom to do that.
नहीं नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि अर्निंग एक अलग वो है, एक अलग जोन है। और घर का काम अगर अगर आपके पास में क्या कहते हैं ये कंडीशन है, आप किसी को घर के काम के लिए अलग से रख पाओ तो वो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बाहर का भी काम देख पाएगी, जो एफिशिएंटली बोलते हैं, जिसको बहुत अच्छे से काम कर पाएगी, यानी अपना 100% दे पाएगी वो। और अगर करना अगर मजबूरी है तो वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा। वो कोई इसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है करने में। और दोनों मिलजुल के करें काम, अगर हस्बैंड वाइफ भी अगर दोनों मिल के करें काम तो वो बहुत अच्छा होगा उनके लिए।
So how much your life has changed since you have transitioned from let's say a student to like a working person?
Okay, so it's been about 3.5 years since I started working, and while I was a student, obviously I'm living on a budget, and you have things that you have to do and a lot of things. But once you start earning, you get the money. Now you not only have to deal with okay how to spend the money, but also on how to like ensure you have a good future as well. So for me, what has really changed is when I was back in college, the finances that I could work around with was limited. And now with the amount of money that I'm making, I'm able to prioritize and understand what to really differentiate and what to really invest in. So I have always been this person who thinks that until you're 24, don't save, just splurge, go on trips, party, enjoy your life, do everything possible, make yourself feel good. After 24, probably start investing, and then, you get to live life the way you want to live.
तो ऐसा होता है ना, जैसे कहीं कहीं घर में औरत ज़्यादा कमाती है तो आदमी को थोड़ा होता है कि ज़्यादा नहीं कमाना चाहिए, कम कमाना चाहिए, तो उसमें आपका क्या कहना है?
नहीं, ऐसा कोई मस्ट नहीं है और ना किसी को अपने ईगो पे लेना चाहिए। ये तो अपनी अपनी कैपेबिलिटी है। जिसकी जितना कैपेबल है वो उतना कमाए। दोनों आपस में हंसी खुशी रहें, मस्त जिंदगी गुजारें।
ये आपने
और फालतू के ईगो में रखा गया है, सिर्फ कलेश के अलावा।
मेन यानी अगर दोनों की कंपैटिबिलिटी होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। आगे जाकर वो अर्न तो कर ही लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हर कोई आज इतना बड़ा जो है, आज बड़े बड़े जो लोग हैं, सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं, वो इतने ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एकदम से कमा लिया उन लोगों ने। वो शुरू से ज़मीन से ऊपर तक पहुँचे हैं ना। वो उसको बहुत अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए और एक दूसरे की कोई भी मिस्टेक हो तो वो बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व करते आना चाहिए। एक फ्रेंडशिप वाला जज्बा होना चाहिए उनमें।
They shouldn't feel that way. They should concentrate on their jobs and their careers and things like that.
Do you have any like plans for Women's Day? Like, are you planning to celebrate, doing anything different that you already don't do?
See, if my colleagues are doing it, I'll join them most happily. But on my own, no, nothing that way.
Yes, we do celebrate Women's Day, and for my mom, I'll probably get her some kind of gift. I'll go out with my friends, and get a treat for everyone basically.
Any advice or anything you want to say like for Women's Day to all the women or all the people out there?
Well, I say work hard and do the best you can. What more?
All right. Awesome. Thank you so much. All right. I had such a lovely day, such fun conversations. All I would like to say is that pause, take a minute, just enjoy. आज बाहर जाओ, एकदम chill करो, अपने आप को खुश करो. Because this is your day. But at the same time, remember to invest in yourself, because money brings you that freedom, brings you that independence. So, wishing you a happy Women's Day, celebrating you today and every day.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.